Hello everyone, this is Karen from Foshan Landpack Machinery. Today I would like to introduce you this kind of packing machine for the hardware packing. It can pack for the single pack or the max product packing. Now let's introduce it in detail. This kind of 3-side sealing machine need to customize the machine fill open device in like this. See here, the machine is being frozen before forming. It will something like this. And then we customize the machine in like this. This is the fill open device to open the fill and then make the back packing. And here, this is the day printer. You can print the logo and picture by this one. It will have a touch screen to set all the parameters. And after that, I would like to show, see, this kind of bag to make it sealing in such beautiful performance because with this water cooling machine, it can make the sealing part in suddenly cold so that it can work very perfect with the PE fill. Now let's see the main packer. See, this is the sealing part because the bag is in 3-side sealing, so that we made the horizontal sealing part in vertical, like this. And because the bag is with this handhold, so we made the handhold sealing on here. And here we have a support for the waste plastic, and it can make the ground very clean. And for the horizontal sealing part, it connects with the water cooling machine so that it can seal the PE field very beautiful and perfect. Now let's go to the next part, the vibration counting table. You can make it count the 1 cent product, like this one, and the maxing product, like this one. If you want to make it counting only one product, you can put just the scoop over here, 6 vibration table, then it is okay. If you want to counting different product, then you just need to put a different product over this 6 vibration table, then it is okay. And over here, you will have a menu platform. You can manually put the shape product over here. And here we'll have the emergency stop. Now I would like to show you, here we'll have the difference of the vibration table. Let's go and have a look. In here, this is the guide rate. It's counting by the guide. This is guide. You just set this station over here, and then it can count 5 number or 10 number one time. It is measured for the scoop. And over here, see, this is the difference. It is with the bell over here. And it's counting by the sensor. This is the sensor. When one product into here, it will have a count. And it is very intelligent. It's just counting by the quantity. Above is introduction of our hardware packing machine. If you feel interested, please feel free to contact us.